So for those of you who don't know, if you want to enter into a simple mode where the app icons are bigger and the layout of your OnePlus phone is a lot bigger and easier to view, here's where you can go to find this feature. This is for OnePlus phones for both Android 14 and Android 15, which is this OnePlus phone, Oxygen OS 15. After the Android 15 Oxygen OS 15 update, the fastest way to find the easy or simple mode, go into the quick access, tap on the search settings here, right there, go right here, and type in the words simple mode. You're gonna go ahead and type that in. So simple mode, type that in. You'll see the suggestion, and when you tap on it, it's gonna take you straight to it. And you'll see that it's gonna say enter simple mode, right? So it's gonna give you a preview of what everything looks like. Then enter it, it's gonna be entering, and now you'll notice all the icons on your phone is going to be large and huge and bulky, and yeah, you get what I mean, right? So for you to come out of this, you can always go back into the settings, which will also have a simple layout as well. And you can always go to the very bottom and you'll see exit simple mode. Once you do that, you can exit and that'll just take you back to the regular view mode. Like and sub.